Okay, so we're asked to rotate the shape A 180 degrees with centre of rotation at 0, 1. So the first thing to do is mark on where the centre of rotation is at 0, 1. Now the way of doing this is use tracing paper and trace out the shape onto the tracing paper and mark the centre of rotation and put a little arrow going up. And because it's 180 degrees, that's half a turn. So we're going to turn this halfway and until that arrow is pointing downwards. When you do this, you should end up with a shape here. And what you do is you lift the tracing paper and draw in where the shape is, and it should line up with the squares nicely, so you'll never end up with one that kind of looks like that. Okay, it will always end up nicely lined up. And we need to label that B. Now you occasionally get 90 degrees clockwise, so clockwise would be that direction. Sometimes you get 90 degrees anti-clockwise, which would be this direction here.